Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie fell 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices rallied nearly 3% to their highest in 3 months as traders braced for supply disruptions from the broadest US sanctions package targeting Russian oil and gas revenue. Joe Biden's administration imposed fresh sanctions targeting Russian oil producers, tankers, intermediaries, traders and ports. Global stocks fell while US Treasury yields rose after stronger than expected jobs data reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve will likely keep interest rates elevated for longer than traders were betting on. British assets remained under pressure on Friday from high global borrowing costs, with sterling falling for the fourth day in a row and better than expected US jobs data intensifying the move, while gilt yields rose for a fifth consecutive day.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 19 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 21:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 21:30 GMT. Japan's trade balance at 23:50 GMT. Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.